So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how Bimpe AI orchestrates into systems like CRM systems or Google Workspace systems or POS systems. So the beauty of what we're building is that we're able to do direct orchestration, like through calls and take action into the systems. So we've been doing this at scale, but many people still don't understand how the connection works. So I've seen a lot of enterprise companies, they own system in multiple places. So their CRM system is on RTO or HubSpot. Their customer communication system is on maybe Sprout or Zendesk, and they've got another system on Google Workspace and all of that. So that's one of the biggest, I would say, red flag for any AI company that is building for enterprise, because when you come in, you see where all of the data are, because you want your AI workflow to have context, and you want the context to be smart. You want the context to be with data, like proper data, structured data. So how do you now build connection and integration into all of those systems? So that's the first thing that we did, because we understand that building for enterprise, we need to be able to talk to their systems of record. So that's the first thing that we did when building Bimpe AI. We spent a whole 6 months going into different systems of record. We first started with retail. We went to hospitality. We went to payment. We went into ERP system and CRM systems. So there's some systems that we're still integrating. That's still like work in progress. But right now we have 1,000 plus systems on our platform. And I'll show you how that works and how that makes the AI a lot smarter. So for example, these are some of our integrations that we've got live right now on the platform. You can see that this has new, these are like an older integration. We also have custom APIs. We have MCP. So if you have a system that is forward thinking, that you have MCP, instead of using the auth, I don't know how to pronounce it, maybe auth or OH, auth system, you can use direct MCP integration. And we also have webhooks and cron jobs. So cron job makes sure that the agent is able to go into your system more than once to like call for information. A good use case for this is like maybe a reminder, or you want to set a reminder for you to do something in 10 minutes or wake me up. I know one of my colleagues has an AI agent that sends him that calls him every morning. It calls him every morning to let him know the meeting, and he built it with Bimpe AI. So for example, this is RTO. RTO is CRM that we use at Bimpe AI. We've got other CRM systems. So for example, if I search CRM here, you can see one CRM, Agile CRM, Apollo API key, and then proper other Apollo, Baja, both side. So if you put your customers in any of this system, right? As long as we're connected to this system, we're able to call the information into Bimpe AI. So we can go to the playground to like make it work, to do direct integration. And we also have a beautiful thing. Let me show you something that we did with one of our enterprise customers. So we're going to blur this out, but we're able to have a tab called customers, where all of your customers are going to be here. And in this instance, you are able to do campaigns, and you can do like a campaign. All of these are available via API. So just forget about the UI. So you can do campaign, you can, use natural language, you can do CSV to upload the campaign. So the campaign can do outbound calls directly to them. Also, you can do WhatsApp calls, you can do WhatsApp messaging, you can do all of those different use cases. You're able to like deploy them. So we also do custom use cases. So if you have a custom use case that our platform doesn't carry right now, that's where our forward deploy engineer comes in. We assign a forward deploy engineer to you, and they're able to like come up and work with a use case for you. But understand that right now we have more than 1,000 integrations. It means that our agent can speak to your system and bring back information and process that information at scale. So that's literally what voice orchestration means. I would love to like hear more about how you're doing orchestration or with AI on your platform today. Thank you. Bye-bye.